DNA change from 2 to 12 strands, spiritual evolution with High Schumann Resonance. On April 6th, the amplitude of the Schumann resonance reached a peak power of 49 around 6 UTC, marking the highest point of the day. It is evident that we are immersed in a profound process of change. This transformation is not only environmental and electromagnetic, but also directly impacts our being at a biological and spiritual level, transitioning our DNA from 2 strands to 12 strands. This intense vibrational change, while overwhelming for some, will evolve others into beings with extrasensory capabilities. Understanding common ascension symptoms. Reported symptoms include headaches, migraine, and extreme fatigue. You may experience constant tiredness accompanied by intense headaches or migraines and digestive issues. Temporal disorientation and confusion. Time may seem to speed up, with vivid dreams and failing memory, often accompanied by waking visions of the future. Unexplained physical symptoms. Persistent cough not responsive to treatment, episodes of unexplained tachycardia, and stomach pain. Intense emotional shifts. Emotional cleansing such as sudden onset fear, anger, or sadness are common, as well as feelings that nothing seems real. Increased sensitivity. Heightened sensitivity to light, sound, and technology, along with ringing in the ears or perceiving usually invisible phenomena. Recommendations for managing ascension symptoms. For those experiencing these intense changes, finding ways to adapt and alleviate symptoms is crucial. Adequate hydration. Water. Not only hydrates but also helps cleanse the body of energies and toxins that are no longer needed. Conscious nutrition. Choose foods that nourish and energize you without overburdening your digestive system. Connection with nature. Spending time outdoors and going for walks can help rebalance your energies. Meditation and breathing exercises. These practices can help center your mind and relieve anxiety and stress. Listen to your body. Rest when needed, and don't demand more from yourself than you can manage during these high-energy periods. My advice for you. It is entirely natural to feel uneasy about these energetic changes, especially as you begin to realize that much of what you have built in your life comes from a place of fear or an outdated self that no longer resonates with you. Yet, rest assured, immense courage resides within you, capable of overcoming any obstacle and electromagnetic energy shift that arises. Remember to spend time in the sun and, as previously mentioned, walk in nature. Not only do these activities revitalize your connection with the Earth, but they also link you with the planet's natural rhythm, facilitating greater harmony with Gaia. Regarding the ego, as you release control, you open more to your heart, intuition, and true power. This is the real you, in tune with Gaia's higher energies. As you heal and release, you'll find that life becomes abundantly richer, surprisingly easier, and more fluid. When you face your fears and let go of what no longer serves you, it opens doors to a new life, a new version of yourself that is waiting to emerge. Your journey is powerful, and your transformation is a testament to the incredible human potential to evolve and adapt. Keep moving forward with courage and an open heart. Before I finish, I want to remind you that right now, you have the power to make any change in your life. Do not place limits on what you ask for. Let the silence guide you. I send you a strong hug, and may God give you the strength to adapt to the electromagnetic energy of Mother Earth. I am Zoe, voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.